Click once, earn 50 cents. Click again, earn an additional $1. This amazing method of earning money fast online has gone viral because it is one of the highest paying methods on the internet. You literally don't need anything to start making money fast with this website. All you need is a smartphone or a computer with an internet connection, and you already made anywhere between $100 and $1,000 just in one day. I mean, how awesome is that? Wouldn't it be great if you could make money anywhere in the world with a few clicks? Well, with this method that I'm about to show you, it's never been easier to earn money on the go. The name of this website is Hey Money Crushers, welcome back. This is Stacy and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. With inflation reaching its all-time high and people losing their jobs, I had to research and find out a way where all my money crushers can make money just by sitting at their homes. Today I will show you a brand new method that no one else is talking about, and it's one of the easiest and quickest ways to make money fast online. Make sure you watch this video carefully and follow all the steps. I have seen a couple of my friends missing out on a few steps and ended up not getting paid. But don't you worry, your Stacy is right here with her amazing research to guide you all the way. Now, before I move on any further, I want my money crushers to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on my future videos. Also, I will be giving away $2,000 to anyone who finds an Easter egg hidden in one of the first 10 videos uploaded in August, and the winner will be announced on the 30th of September. So be sure to check out those videos to learn how to make money online and for a chance to win a very valuable prize. Now, have you ever imagined that you could earn increasingly more money with every click? Yes, I know that's too good to be true, but it is 100% real. With this website, you will earn more money than ever before and finally be financially free. The name of this website is paidera.com. I want you guys to head right over to their homepage. Paidera turns your time spent on the internet into money. With Paidera, you get paid for doing multiple tasks without leaving your home. There are no country restrictions, payments are instant, and it's available for both desktop and mobile devices. There are unlimited tasks, so there are zero limitations on how much you can earn daily. Inviting friends and family will increase your earnings with passive income, and you can request a payout whenever you want because it's available 24/7. You can do sign-up tasks, complete surveys, upload videos, invite your friends, and write about this amazing website to start earning enormous amounts of money. This website has over 930,000 members, and there are over 7 million tasks completed with over 1,500 payments sent. So this website is absolutely legit and ready to pay you a fortune. The first thing we need to do is to register our free account. Click on the Create an Account button at the top right corner. Now on the right side, you can see all the ways you can make money using this website, and many more which are not listed. To create your free account, fill out all the necessities provided here. When you're done, just press the Sign Up and Create My Account button at the bottom. Shortly, a verification email will arrive in your email inbox, so be sure to verify your newly created account. Now, just log into your account to start making money. This is your dashboard. You can see that we already earned 50 cents. On the right side is our Referrals tab. You can use your referral link to invite more people to join this amazing website, and you will earn a commission from their earnings. Also, be sure to share it on social media because you can earn $3 per 1,000 clicks. Let's start with the surveys. For example, the Want Ad surveys. When you first encounter surveys on this website, you will have to provide some basic information like your age, education, marriage status, employment, etc., so you can be matched with proper surveys for you. When you finish with that, all currently available surveys from that company will appear here. You can see how much time the survey will take and how much you will be earning. Be sure to take your time when completing surveys, or else the survey will terminate if you finish the survey too fast or if the answers don't match. So don't rush anywhere, your money is waiting for you. When you decide which survey you want to complete, just click on this box and then on the Continue button, and you will further be redirected to the offers website. If we, for example, choose the CPX research surveys, we can now see completely different surveys for you to complete. The box provides you with the amount of money you will earn and how much time approximately will the survey take, as well as the ratings of the survey on the right side. There are so many other ways you can start earning money with this website. You can submit videos, write short articles about this website, and complete even more offers and surveys from different companies. It's really an amazing way of earning money. When you want to withdraw your funds, just scroll down and click on the Payment Requests button. First, you need to provide your payment details to the website. Click on this link right here to open up payment settings. Here, you must enter your PayPal details and choose the minimum threshold, and when you're done, just click on the Add Payment Information button. You can request a payout when you reach $20 or $30, depending on which option you chose previously. Your funds will be sent to your PayPal account in a matter of hours. This website will absolutely fix your financial situation and help you earn some extra money for you to spend on your favorite things. If you want to learn even more ways how to earn money fast online, be sure to subscribe to Money Crush to never miss out on my daily videos. And this was another quick, simple, and easy way to earn real money online. Thanks for watching. This is Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.